Problema mo rin ba to? Gusto mong maging TikTok affiliate pero hirap kang maabot yung 600 followers kaya naiisip mo mag-follow to follow? Meron akong 2 tips for you at ito yung ginawa ko that helped me reach my first 600 followers within a month dito sa new account ko. Feeling ko hindi mo pa nasusubukan yung tip number 2. Okay, first, ask yourself, anong category ng products ba yung passionate ako at kaya kong panindigan? In my case, tech products. Hindi dahil mabenta siya but because these are the products that I really use. Kapag clear kasi yan, magiging defined yung audience mo. At kapag mas clear yung interest match, mas mataas din yung chance na may mag-follow para sa susunod mong content. Sa follow to follow kasi nagiging halo-halo yung audience mo, so walang assurance na magiging interested sila sa mga products na ipopromote mo eventually. Pero dito, hindi man mabilis pero alam mo na yung followers na makukuha mo will really be interested sa mga gusto mong i-share. Okay, second tip. Bigyan mo ng rason ang mga tao to follow you. What's in it for them? See, your first few videos don't have to revolve around products kaagad. Instead, gumawa ka muna ng content na magiging valuable sa viewers. For example, kung passionate ka sa clothing category, pwede kang gumawa ng videos about styling tips, outfit ideas. Kung tech naman, pwede kang mag-share ng hidden features or simpleng tech tips. Pwede ring mag-share ka ng general knowledge, personal experience, or life lessons na natutunan mo along the way. Bottom line is, kailangan mo munang magbigay ng impact. Sa follow to follow kasi, ang dahilan para i-follow ka is may follow back. Dito, they follow you because they either learned something, felt inspired, or got entertained. At kapag ginawa mo tong dalawang tips na to, mas mataas yung chance na makabenta ka kasi may trust factor na. Ikaw, ano yung sagot mo sa tip number 1? At ano yung content na naiisip mo based dun sa tip number 2? Let me know in the comments.